Today we're making trifle custard. For that we'll need custard powder, jelly crystals, whipping cream, milk, and a banana and a peach. First we're going to cut the banana and the peach. Now that we're done cutting them, we're going to put them at the bottom of the glasses. You can pick a few fruits, like 2 bananas and 5 peach pieces. Now that we're done filling up the glasses, we're going to make the custard. And for that, we first need 2 cups of milk. After we're done putting the 2 cups of milk in a pan, we're going to put 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it properly together. Once we're done mixing, we're going to move it onto the stove, and then we're going to wait for it to boil. While the milk and sugar are on the stove, we're going to mix together 400 ml of milk and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Mix it properly together until the color comes. Now that we're done mixing the custard and the 400 ml of milk, we're going to pour the 400 ml of milk into the boiling milk. Pour a little by little and don't pour the whole thing at once. Keep on mixing while pouring. Once we're done mixing it thoroughly, we're going to turn off the stove. Once it's mixed thoroughly, then you're going to keep it on medium heat and it should come to this consistency. The consistency should be thick. Now we're going to make the jelly. Wait for the water to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add 1 packet of jelly crystals. Now once the color has came to the water, we're going to mix and then we're going to turn the stove off. While we were making the jelly, the custard has cooled down a little. Now we're going to put the custard into the glasses. Now that all the glasses are filled with the custard, we're going to set them aside and wait for them to set. Now that they've set it a little, we're going to add in the jelly. Now that we added in the jelly, we'll let it cool down and then we'll put it in the fridge for 1 hour. While the trifle custard is in the fridge, we're going to whip some whipping cream. Once the whipping cream is done whipping, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Add in a little by little. Now we're going to fill up a piping bag with the whipping cream so we can pipe it onto the trifle custard. Now that the trifle custard has set and the whipping cream is done, we're going to put it onto the trifle custard. You can put a whole layer or you could just create a few designs. It's your choice. Now that we're done putting the whipping cream onto the trifle custard glasses, you can top them off with anything you like, such as chocolate syrup or any type of sprinkles. Or you can even try pieces of fruit or cascaded coconut. Now last but not least, you could try different lettered candies or just normal candies. Okay, and that's all for today. And thank you for watching us make our trifle custard.